be okay. It should be quick, that thing.
He's not coming back.
Might be, I phoned it, we sort of are. Let's go shit on his car. At his house. Actually lights, lots of lights.
Let's have a shot.
I don't know.
I'm sure he's dead. Oh shit, if he's dead, is that my fault? No, probably not.
Bring him again.
Well, you're being let's be honest, you're being a bit gay there, Matt.
What? I was talking.
Matt, keep doing it.
Ow! Cunt!
Matt, pole dance on it.
I can't, it's too... Wait. Oh!
Joe, let him pole dance. Pole dance, Matt.
Oh, warning.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
I can't...
Pole dance, Matt.
I'm confused again.
Sexually.
Abishai died.
Sorry, he's dead.
What just happened?
Then it's settled, I'll try it dead.
There we go.
Nice duck
I
top.
was going to smooth it last time. I want to actually do some shit.
Matt, dance properly.
I'm dancing like I should.
Dance properly.
Hey!
Matt, pole dance.
Oh!
Matt, pole dance.
What?
Pole dance.
I can't!
You're a backward cowboy on it.
I can't!
Do it.
Ah.